Before proceeding with the actual drawing, we must first navigate to the Settings menu. As previously mentioned, many user preferences can be adjusted here. However, a particularly critical aspect we need to address is the proper configuration of coverage areas. It is essential to configure this setting at the outset to ensure compliance with relevant standards and regulations regarding the detection radius of sampling points. For example, in Norway, the fire safety standard NS 3960 specifies the following. For ceiling heights up to 6 meters, the coverage circle should have a diameter of 15 meters and an area of 80 square meters. For ceiling heights exceeding 6 meters, the diameter should be set to 18 meters, with a corresponding area of 100 square meters. In my drawing, which is of a supermarket, the roof height is 4 meters. Therefore, I will set the coverage circle diameter to 15 meters and the coverage area to 80 square meters. Remember to save at the bottom of the window. Now that we have made these necessary adjustments, we can finally start drawing.